guys, thanks for stopping by my channel today. Hope you guys are having an awesome day. It is your girl Slay LT, and if this is your first time visiting this channel, make sure to subscribe to my channel so you can get the latest hauls that I have, the latest tea that I have, well, some tea, best storytelling. What else do I have on here? My weight loss journey, beauty tips, beauty makeup tutorials, all that good stuff, hair wig try-ons, all that good stuff. I got a little bit of everything for you. And before we get started, like I said, go ahead and subscribe. If you have not already subscribed to my channel, go ahead and hit that notification bell so you'll know when I have the next video coming, and tell your friends about it. And if you do like this video, make sure that you like, comment, and definitely thumbs up this video if you like it and all that good stuff. So this haul is actually going to be somewhat of a big haul, but it's more of a swimsuit edition haul. And if you guys have already visited my channel, you know that I am on a weight loss journey. So some of the pieces that I have definitely, actually all of these pieces that I have should actually fit me right now. I did opt to get an extra large, or large to extra large, for all the pieces that I have. And the reason why I did that is because I do have some trips coming up where I'm going to hit the beach. Hopefully I'm going to do a quick 10-day fast, and that get me a little boost on what I'm trying to do. Trying to get this body right and tight. You hear what I'm saying? You hear what I'm saying? Anyway, before I get to my silliness, let me go ahead and just get into this video. This is a Shein swimsuit edition haul. And usually with my videos, what I will do is pull them out the bag on the first video. Second video is usually me pulling them out of the bag that they're in, not the bag that they came in, but the bag that they're in. And the third video is me kind of laying them out and trying them on. But this one is going to be a little different because it is a swimsuit edition. I'm going to actually pull them out the bag, take them out the packages, and put them up so you can actually see the swimsuit. And the reason why I'm doing it this way is because Shein actually has a summer code that you guys can use throughout the summer. I believe it's like the end of August that this code is going to be valid. So if you are looking for some cute swimsuits, hopefully they are cute. I haven't seen all of them yet. Only thing that I've done so far is open the bag, and I did kind of pull them out, but I wanted to go ahead and get the video of me actually pulling them out of the bag so you guys can see what they look like. As I stated, all of the swimsuits should actually fit me by now, right now. I do have 2 cover-ups, 2 swimsuits, and a 2-piece. I believe I got the 2-piece. I'm not sure how that's gonna look right now. Again, I kind of went to the site and kind of went out on a whim for that. I don't know, so we're gonna just get right into it. So as you guys know, Shein is one of the sites that I have ordered a lot of pieces in the past. Shein, if I had to describe them, most of their pieces are pretty decent pieces. They're not the type of clothes that you would, how should I put this? They do have some nice pieces, but you kind of have to decipher based off of the material that they use. Most of the time I go straight to the reviews. If the reviews are saying that their garments fit kind of iffy, and I look at the body shape of the person that's I'm taking a picture. I'm gonna start doing reviews on their site. I have been ordering so many clothes from them. They have reached out to me, so I'm gonna see by me starting some reviews on it if that's gonna get me some more free pieces from Shein, and maybe go a little further on a business aspect. But for right now, pretty much just ordering pieces from them and seeing how they fit my body. A lot of the pieces that I have purchased in the past, they're very cute. They fit my body real nice. Some of the pieces I'm kind of like waiting to wear. Some of them do fit, but they're kind of tight fitting. But for the most part, a lot of them are really super cute. So I will say, if I had to base on a scale from 1 to 10, see what you get what you're buying, actually seeing it on somebody else and purchasing it for yourself, and it being one of those outfits that you can feel secure about wearing, I would say I would have to give it about an 8 or a 9. It depends on the pieces that you buy. And again, I haven't seen these body suits yet, or bathing suits yet, so Let's just get right into it and see what we have here. So they come in the bag. I'm not going to show you guys the other side because it shows my address, but this is the bag that it came in. I've already opened the top. So let's just get right into it. So we're going to start off the first piece. This is a bathing suit. It's a bathing suit? This is a bathing suit. I'm not sure why it says bikini, but this is a one piece. And it came in this is the first time I've ever seen this Shein bag. Yeah, and it just opens right up. So this piece, oh, this is a big, no, it's a one piece. It's one piece. It is one piece. I almost forgot what I bought. Oh, this is actually pretty cute. So, and I'm going to put the pictures on, the website is, I'm sorry, on these, I'm going to post the pictures on this as well. So this actually opens up in the front. It is a one piece, and it strings behind my neck, and it has the two gatherings on the side, and it's open in the back. And I do plan on wearing this. Hopefully it fits. I bought this in an extra, I'm sorry, 1X. It has the Shein panty liner. So this is the hypergenic material too. Like it's the actual bikini lining inside of it, and you can take the breast pads out, which is needed. And again, it's actually pretty cute, and it's pretty heavy, so it's actually heavier than what I thought it was gonna be. Now, what I think I'm gonna do is I'm gonna do a try on video after this video, so I'll kind of try the pieces on with the cover ups so you guys can see what it looks like. But this one is actually, I'm surprised, it's actually pretty heavy. The materials, it looks like it's a swimsuit material, but it looks like it doesn't look cheap, like it looks thick. So, and it does stretch, so I definitely like that about it. And I believe, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to put the prices on it as well. So what's going to happen is you guys will see a pop-up in your screen, probably up there, and it will show the pieces and what I paid for them. Excuse me. The second piece I have also came in a Shein bikini bag. As you can see, and there goes the website, www.shein.com. And this is a black one piece. This one, damn, this is actually pretty big. I didn't know this was this big. And again, I bought this size based off of what someone else gave a review on. And even though it's big, I'm pretty sure it fits. I think this one is also 1X. Let me check and see. I'm pretty sure it is a 1X. No, this one is actually, why did I get this in a 2X? A 2 extra large. Not sure why, but it's pretty much the same thing. But as you can see, this ties in the back. See, now this ties in the back, and it doesn't have like that middle part where it has the gathering on it. So this should be super cute. And this one also has the padding where you can take the padding out, but it's up at the top, if you can see it there. It's up at the top. This one might actually fit. And again, the thing with the bathing suit is they are non-refundable. They're on sale. So I didn't pay more than, I believe each of these suits were $12. So they're not super expensive. And then you do have a checkout code as well. Like I stated at the beginning of the video, there's a summer code for these suits. So definitely check Shein out. And if you're looking for some cute bathing suits that you can wear for the summer, definitely check them out. The third one, and I don't know why I bought this in a 2XL, because these are actually pretty big. Came in the same type of bag, bikini bag. Now this is the two-piece that I was telling you guys about. Okay, this one is a 2X. Now, the only problem I'm going to have with this, and it might even fit, and this one actually, okay, so I think this will fit, because I'm not really big in the boob area, but because of my side and the back, my sides and the back, it should fit. and it's actually pretty cute. It has the two arms, the two straps on this side, and the one strap on this side, and then in the back it just has that one strap. Actually, same effect in the back. I don't know if you guys can see that. That's the top piece, and the bottom piece is almost like a tankini. Well, it was supposed to be like a tankini, but it actually rises pretty high. So actually a 2X might fit because of the back part. This one should actually fit, but again, I'm gonna have on a cover up, so I think that'd be super cute. I actually like that color. Those colors are cute. So that's the third one. And again, because I wasn't sure about the fit, again, I was trying to base it off of the fit of the models. Not models, I'm sorry. Let me rewind that. I was trying to base it off of the fit of the people that actually purchased them. So, the body shape, I should say. So that's why I opted to get those. This cover up, this is like a linen type material. And I actually thought that this stretched. This is a 1X, and it came from Shein, so I'm pretty sure this is gonna fit. So this just kind of goes like, it's see-through material. So it kind of goes like over the bathing suit. I'm gonna wear this with the black. Actually, I can wear this with all of them. They will look good with all of them. And it has a drawstring. Actually, I take that back. It has a fake drawstring, as you can see there. But it does look like it stretches pretty wide. So if I needed that extra stretch space, and then the bottom has the cuffs at the bottom. So we're definitely that's gonna be helpful when I'm on the beach. I think it'll be super cute. Even poolside would be cute as well. So, and then last but not least, this I'm very excited about. Hopefully it doesn't fit crazy. This is a net cover up, and I don't know if you guys can see that, but it has the straps up at the top. I wanted it to be like kind of baggy, although I have wide hips, big hips. I should say thick hips. I have thick hips. It ties up at the top, and it's sort of like a cat suit, and comes all the way down to the bottom. No cuffing at the bottom, but it's like a straight lace. I mean, a straight hem at the bottom. So this is in a 1X. So this is the second cover up. So this cover up I can actually wear with the one piece. Actually, I can wear this with all of them as well. So I'm definitely looking forward to trying this on. And what I'm going to do, like I said, in the next video, I will do a try on with all of these so you guys can see how it looks with the try on my body. Because like I said, everybody's body is different. Even though I was trying to determine how it would look on me comparing to the people that have already purchased it. Yeah, and that's pretty much it. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. I was gonna order a few more pieces, but I was like, you know what? Even though I've ordered so many pieces from Shein in the past, I wanted to kind of get an idea of how their swimsuit pieces were. So far, just pulling them out the bag, I am extremely excited, and it looks like they may actually do pretty good. So I will try them on, do a try on haul with those, just so you guys can see how it looks on my body. And yeah, that's pretty much the end of this video. So if you guys like this video, go ahead and thumbs up. Again, if you haven't already subscribed to my channel, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. It is free. Share it with your friends, and guess what? That's also free. It's free. It's good to give stuff for free. So go ahead and shoot me over to your friends and be like, you know, go ahead and check out her haul. She got a pretty good, you know, thing going over there. She got some nice pieces that she's got. And I'm pretty much honest with my with my hauls, not pretty much, I am. I'm not going to give credit where credit is due. Now, I will say I have some more hauls. I linked them in the comment box below, but Chick Me, I don't know, Chick Me. I will say that I ordered from them, and I've ordered from them before. The first time I ordered from them, it was decent, but this last order, I don't know, you guys. I'm gonna do a haul on that one tomorrow. I already received the pieces, so those came in two packages. The first package was just two pieces. It was a skirt and a shirt. Both were pretty decent, but that last package, I don't know. I was so disappointed. Like, I started pulling the shirts out of the bag, and I couldn't get past the second shirt. So it was like, I can't believe that I spent money on this, but it is what it is. I'm gonna do a haul on it just so you guys can see it. You know, some of you guys may like that type of clothing, but like they say, everything isn't for everybody. But definitely we'll have that haul coming up. You can click on the comments below, the comment section below, and I should have the link there for that. But if not, just go ahead and search for it under, if you've already subscribed to my channel, you will get notifications when I do post new videos. So again, I hope you guys are having an awesome day. And that's pretty much the end of this video. Go ahead and comment on it. Thumbs up if you like it. If you don't like it, that's fine too. Tell me what you didn't like about the video, and I'll try to do my best to improve. Probably not, but hey, it is what it is. But hopefully you guys are having an awesome day. Go ahead and check the subscribe to my channel, set it up for your notifications so you'll know when my videos come out. And you guys have an awesome day. Remember to be awesome and do awesome things. Talk to you guys in the next video. Bye.